No, it's completely shattered. Ooh, what is this? Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. This is the Halloween edition and I got the deluxe size. The price of it is $75. You could also find it in two more sizes. The premium for $40 and the supreme for $160. That was very expensive, so I decided to get the medium size. At the end of this video I'm gonna share with you my experience with the website, also how much I have paid for shipping and taxes because I live in Europe. They claim that the value is $186. I think it's true, but we're going to check that, and also we're going to see if it is worth the money for someone that doesn't live in the US. I placed my order on the day of the release and now it's been almost 4 weeks. I thought I would get this a little bit faster, but nope. I don't have any other products by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so anything that I get from this box is very new to me and I will not have any duplicates. I'm very excited, and I have also placed an order for the Conspiracy palette. I'm still waiting for that, so make sure to subscribe to see my review for that one too. This is how the box looks, and we have the products like this here. I can see something in the corner, and this one here is the Liquid Frost liquid highlighter. I have the shade Goddess. Let's see the color. This is the bottom part. Wrong way. Very extreme packaging. Look how I took it out. It's remarkable. Oops. The bottle is so pretty. It looks like a foundation. And how much is it? So, this is 30 milliliters of product. So actually this is the quantity that we get for foundations and primers. That's a lot. So as I can see, you can twist the cap. For some reason it has some marks here. Okay, it doesn't smell anything. So it's not a very dark golden highlighter. I think that in the summer I can make it work. It has some very fine gold micro glitter. Okay, so I'm thinking about using this on my shoulders in the summer. It is completely dry and it's not sticky at all, so it is one of the products that you don't have to set. I would prefer if it was in a lighter shade, but it is a mystery box, so it's fine. The next product is the Skin Frost, and it is the highlighting powder. This is in the shade Mystery Frost. This one here has a little ghost, so I'm guessing this is the exclusive makeup product in the box. We have 15 grams of highlighter. This is huge. So, oops. Oh no, disaster. Please tell me that it's not broken. Time of truth. I think it's broken, my friend. No! No, it's completely shattered. The color is super pretty, but I need to talk with them, with the customer service. I hope that they will get me a refund or maybe send me another one. It's so bad. The color is amazing and it looks very nice. Why my highlighter? Αγάπη, ήρθε σπασμένο!
Ποιο?
Ένα highlighter.
Oh no.
Δεν έσπασε όλο, το άνοιξα, μιλάμε γέμισα και ολόκληρη. Ναι, και ήταν τέλειο το χρώμα, δες πως είναι. Τι κρίμα. Such a pretty packaging, but broken. Next we have something that looks like a palette. My god, I think it is a palette. This is the mini breaker. I hope that it's not broken. Oh my god, everything is fine. Yes! This is the mini breaker eyeshadow pressed pigment palette. And we have 9 eyeshadows. Ooh, so pretty. I still have highlighter. Now I'm thinking why the highlighter was broken and this one is fine. But also the highlighter has a bigger surface, maybe that's why. This is so pretty, it has a very nice packaging. My first eyeshadow palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I thought it was going to be the Conspiracy palette, but it is this one, the Mini Breaker. Let's see the formula. Whoa! What is this? Super pigmented. Very pretty shade. Wow. I'm surprised that the formula is so soft. Hot Fudge needs 2 layers. What do we think about the color story? I like the bubblegum shade a lot, and I think I would like also to have a lighter shade to highlight the eyes. I think a lot of the shades are in a medium tone, but I'm very curious to use this palette. I was not expecting a palette. And one of the eyeshadows stained my skin. I hope that it will not do that on top of concealer too. Moving on to the Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Soft Serve. Very nice packaging, it feels very nice. The little cup with the stars is super cute. So the little stars are a little bit scratched, as I can see. Okay. Oh, very light chemical scent. This color is adorable. It is a light pink peachy lip shade. It doesn't say if this one has a matte finish, but I'm guessing that it has. The applicator looks like a high heel and it can hug your lips. In the beginning, I thought that the color was very light for me, but I think I can pull it off. What do you think? Maybe I can also use something darker in the outer corners. Oh, I have lipstick. I don't feel anything on my lips. I don't feel that the lipstick is setting. So let's see if it is completely dry. It's not completely dry, I think, because I have some color. I'm going to leave this on my lips and let's continue with the next product. Ooh, this is crushed as well. What happened to my mystery box? Who hit my box? As you can see, we have the gloss, 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious. Oops, wrong side again. Oh my god, so pretty! Oh my god, the packaging is surreal. It reminds me of Sailor Moon, but it has a very nice weight to it. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. We have a very nice sweet vanilla scent. This one here is a shimmery gloss and we have a green sheen. So I want to apply a little bit on the lipstick to see how they look together. Both of them together are looking very wearable, I think. We have very nice details on the packaging, especially the cap of it. And let me know in the comments if you have tried this one in another shade. Let's continue with another lip product. This is the lip ammunition in the shade Candy Freeze. I have seen these lipsticks again on a line. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like a bullet. I love that because it is a bullet lipstick. So nice. It reminds me of a spaceship, a rocket science. Let's see the color. And we have something pink and shimmery. And this is, it is like a lip topper. It doesn't have a lot of pigment. The formula is very light, not sticky or slippery. It has a lot of pink micro glitter. No, you can't see anything. And I'm going to remove what I have. For the liquid lipstick, you need a makeup wipe to remove it. Okay, so this is definitely not as wearable as I wanted. I'm very surprised by the formula because it's not sticky. I have another box here. It is covered with the highlighter. I forgot that we get also a mirror. I got the orange one. I think you could also find it in black. This is nice to hold it and do your makeup. That's a very nice clear mirror. We also have the t-shirt here that I don't remember what it says. Okay, the fabric is nice and soft. It doesn't look cheap. It says can't relate. On the back it is completely black. It is a little bit bigger for my shoulders and also my armpits. Maybe I should have bought it in extra small, but it is also a little bit fit here. So I'm thinking that I just don't like this style on me. I'm back to my white t-shirt, and as you can see we have some threads here that they were not cut. That's not nice for merch products. About the website, I placed the mystery box in my cart and I was waiting in a line for about 10 minutes to pay. The website didn't crash on that day and I got the confirmation email about my order after a while. You can still find all the products on a line, so they are not discontinued, except of course the highlighter because it is limited edition. The total value of the products is $186, like what they have said. For the box I have paid $75, for shipping $25, and for taxes $21, so overall $121. I think that the mystery box is worth the money. However, you don't know what products you're going to get, but this is the point. Otherwise you would just select what you want and pay more. I was expecting more lip products, but I don't mind that I got the palette. I'm going to update you about the highlighter, what they said. I'm hoping that they will send me a new one, but I hardly think so because this is a limited edition product and maybe it is sold out. You can find here more unboxing videos. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!